My Jeep is sick. Hey, all my adventure seekers out there. Yeah, bad news about the Jeep. It decided to give me issues. So I got my my transmission decided to go, took a dump on me. So what are you gonna do? So it's got 326,000 miles on it. So we got to put it in the shop. So I had trouble the other day. You know, it was slipping on me. Got all kinds of problems. So I finally decided I got to get it checked out. And this first guy I went to gave me a quote of over $7,000. Like, hell no. So I thought it would last a little longer. So I took off, and it really started getting worse. And I found this other guy, which I think is more professional. So he gave me a quote about $4,000, which that's about average. I know that's about what it costs to get the transmission rebuilt. So, and he gave me another maybe $1,000 to rebuild the transfer case, get all that done at once. So if I can get all that done for about $5,000, I'm going to be happy. So looks like I'm going to have to spend a couple days in a hotel room, which I'm going to pack it up now. I'm heading there now. And tomorrow morning, I got to be at this place at 8 o'clock in the morning. So, and it said about 3 days to get it repaired. So, who knows? So, wish me luck, and I'll see you a little later, probably in the hotel. All right, so we are dropping the Jeep off at the transmission place, and let's hope for some good news soon. Hey, everybody. So, stuck inside this hotel room. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. These walls are caving in on me already, and I've only been here a day, so I got another 2 or 3 more days here. Hopefully then my Jeep will be fixed. I will have a rebuilt transmission and hopefully a rebuilt transfer case. That way I can get back out in the wilderness again. I tell you, like, just being in this spot, I can tell I could never, ever stop doing the lifestyle I am doing. I could never be in 4 walls again. This is like crunched up. My freedom is gone. Everything. What a bummer. So anyway, let's see what happens. Just waiting for a phone call for an upgrade on my transmission. We'll see what happens, and hopefully in a couple days we'll be on our adventure again. Alright, so another day's gone by, still in the hotel room. The only information I got was they're working on it, and they're hoping to have it done by tomorrow. So let's hope tomorrow this will be done, and I can get out of here. Man, these walls are closing in on me fast. I don't know if I can take it. Wish me luck. Okay, so another day's gone by. I'm still in this hotel room. What a bummer, man. I'm getting jerked off here a lot, I think. I don't know. So it was supposed to be done tomorrow, yesterday. And, you know, I gave them a call. They were supposed to call me back tomorrow. Yesterday, at the end of the day, never called me back. Called them up this morning. And hopefully tomorrow it'll be done, they said. They said it will be done, but at this point, I don't know. But I know this is going to be my last day here. I'm pretty aggravated, and I'm just going to head over there tomorrow. And if it's not done, I'm going to make sure they have it done, because I'm tired of being screwed around. So I don't know what's going to happen, but it could be good, it could be really bad. We'll see what happens. All I know is these walls here are caving in on me. It's boring. There's nothing to do. I need to get out and be on the road again, man. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Anyway, see you tomorrow morning. Came out of the hotel, turned my stuff in there. Back at the this place here, the transmission's not in yet, and we're waiting. Says they're going to be putting it in today, so we're just waiting. even though they said it's in the process of being put in. So I don't know. We'll see. Here's the baby. Hey, all my adventure seekers out there. So we picked up the Jeep. They said it was done. So I picked it up, and I drove 100 miles to this campsite where I'm at now. And guess what? Hard to believe, I got issues. It's not shifting right. So it's amazing. So I got to go back there tomorrow on Monday morning and get them to check it out and see what the hell's going on. I don't know. I know I left there and the light was up. My check engine light was on. You would have thought they would have checked that since it was on, but nope, they just gave it to me. They were kind of annoyed at me because I was rushing them, but since it taken so long, I had no choice. So I called them up on, I got picked it up on Thursday. I called them up early in the morning, which it was supposed to be done. And they said, "Oh no, it's on the lift and it's being put in right now." So I said, "Well, it's 10 o'clock. I got to leave my my hotel room because I got to get out, and I'll be there by pretty soon." And he wasn't happy with that. I got there and my Jeep's still in the parking lot, and my transmission's still in storage because I wanted to take a picture of the transmission. So here's some stuff, pictures. I did walk right in there. I did get a picture of the transmission and the Jeep on the lift there, but yeah, I don't know, kind of being lied to, kind of just pisses you off a little bit. So I just waited there, walked around, and then it was done by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I went to this campsite, and now I got to go back again because it's not working right. So we'll see what happens. So we'll keep you updated, and we'll see what happens on Monday. Hey, good morning, all my adventure seekers out there. Oh man, I gotta say I'm having one shitty damn week between the transmission and everything. So I'm still in my sleeping bag here. It's 9:30 in the morning because I can't get out. It's the whole night. I had over 50 and more mile-an-hour winds. It was nuts last night. It's crazy. So now it's 32 degrees out there, and I'm in a blizzard. It's snowing like crazy. I got my little tent I usually use, my pop-up tent. This is my bathroom shower tent. That got ripped to shreds. So I got to buy a new one. So it's Sunday, and tomorrow I got to head into that mechanic and finish up my transmission and see what else is wrong with it. But man, what else could go wrong this week? It's horrible. So we'll see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out of my Jeep all day today. It's just crazy windy and cold. Well, what are you going to do? We'll see you guys a little later. Hey, all my adventure seekers out there. Oh, we made it into Idaho. And it's cold. You can tell by all the snow in the mountains. So we made it back. We got our car. We had to drive it all the way back to the transmission place, 100 miles, to get it fixed. It was interesting. So when I got there, I told the guy, when I left the shop there, the check engine light was still on, which I didn't think much of it because this is a Cherokee. So he was upset about that. So he actually went in there, got the whole crew out in front of me and made me say that. And the whole crew said, no, that light wasn't on and it was shifting perfect. We tested it all out. It definitely outright lie. There's no way that light was out. I couldn't reset it at all. So they brought it in there. It was a P705 code, which is the neutral. I think it's pretty much the neutral density, the neutral safety switch. So they did some adjustments on that, and so far it's working. Interesting. So hopefully that's it, but man, there was just too much stuff going on there. Don't know if everything's perfect. I don't know. I've never started to use parts. I asked them to see this, if I could see the chain, how much is stretched and all that. Oh, it's all thrown out and all this stuff. So I have no clue if they really did anything. There's no evidence that what they actually did. You know, they may have done a fantastic job and rebuilt it perfectly, but with everything that's going on, it's hard to say. I don't know. So on top of that, the other thing was weird is their invoice is handwritten. I don't think I've ever gotten a handwritten invoice or anything from an auto mechanic. It's not 1970, man. So it's kind of, everything's just kind of scribbled on there, a little hard to read, which is a little unprofessional, I would say. And the other thing that always threw me off, a couple times I called them up and, you know, get an update, and they keep saying, oh, well, we'll give you a call back at the end of the day. They never once have called me back, so it's just something that makes you think, not reliable. So I'm hoping this thing is going to work out. It's going to last. I'm hoping they did a great job, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, so I had to get away from that wind. It's cold out there, man. So besides, we got that fixed, but our weather here has been absolutely horrible, horrible, horrible. This is the first day I got sunshine in like 6 days. So the last 5 days, every day I got snowed on, and just crazy windy. It's been that rain, kind of rain, snow, damp, bitter, cold for 5 days straight. And when I was, you know, filming when I was in by the salt flats in Utah there, I had 50-mile-an-hour winds, kind of ripped up my little pop-up tent, my bathroom tent. Tore that up a little bit. It's been crazy. So hopefully things are going to get better. It's still cold here in Idaho. Supposed to get a warm spell coming in a couple days. And my plan is to head on to a little creek called Birch Creek. It's a little creek here in Idaho. Got a lot of brook trout in it. So that's where we're going to be heading next. So thanks for watching this thing. I was keeping you updated on my epics, things that are going on with my Jeep. And don't forget to never stop exploring, never stop listening to rock and roll, and we'll catch you on the river probably next week.